just flew. Timmy grinned, holding the trophy.
I keep wondering what those phrases meant. Well, they're all idioms. Idioms are words that don't mean exactly what they seem to mean. Like, they're funny phrases in English that replace words like happiness, like on cloud nine. That's an idiom. Make sure to watch till the end because I've got something really special to give away. Let's dive in. One is going to be piece of cake. I mean, I don't actually mean a real piece of cake, even though that would be delicious, right? Piece of cake is another one of those idioms that means really easy. So imagine you have a math homework to do, but you finish it super quick. You could say that was a piece of cake. Our next idiom is hit the sack. Hit the sack is just another funny way of saying you're going to bed. So after a long day, you could say, oh, I'm going to hit the sack. Just kidding, I'm not sleeping. Our next one is break the ice. This doesn't mean you're actually breaking the ice. This means you're doing something to make people feel more confident. So on a new day of school, you could say, I'm going to break the ice. Our next one is spill the beans. This doesn't mean you're actually knocking a bowl of beans. This means that you are just telling a secret by accident. So imagine you had a surprise birthday party of your friends and you swore to keep it a secret, but you accidentally told someone the surprise birthday party. That means you've just spilled the beans. Our next idiom is under the weather. This doesn't actually mean you're like under the weather, which is clearly impossible. It means that you're feeling a bit sick and you're not your best. So if you say, I have a cold and I'm under the weather, people can understand that you're sick. Idiom 6 is on cloud 9. This actually doesn't mean you're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clouds. It means that you're really happy. So imagine you just aced your tests or just got a new puppy. That means you're on cloud 9. Woohoo! And our very last one, but not the least one, is the ball is in your court. This doesn't mean a ball is in a sports court. It just means that it's your turn to make a decision. So imagine you and your friends are playing a game. If they say the ball is in your court, it means it's your turn to choose what game to play. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And the reason why I made you watch until the end was, in the link below, I have shared with you 100 idioms. So make sure to look out for that. Bye!